I was browsing the net and suddenly I got to see a news that iPhones will be manufactured in India. I got interested. Wow, now iPhones will be manufactured in India. So I thought of doing some research, and here I got some latest amazing facts of iPhone and its connection with India. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss on iPhones manufacturing in India. We don't know whether iPhones will be manufactured in India or not, but the news are coming that iPhone will be manufactured in India very soon. This is not new for Apple. Apple has been manufacturing iPhones from 2017 onwards, but they were usually the older models. With the latest launch of iPhone 14, Apple want to start its production in India also. Now, if this gets successful, from older versions to the newer versions, all the versions of iPhone will be manufactured in India very soon. Who is the Apple's main iPhone assembler in India? It's the company Foxtron, and it's having its factory on the outskirts of Chennai. iPhones made by Tata Group, and it may happen very soon. Tata Group is reportedly in talks with Apple manufacturer Wistron to establish an electronics manufacture unit in India. Do you want to know the iPhone which you are holding in your hand is manufactured in which country? It's very simple. Go to the settings, from there to the general, from there to the model number. Look for two alphabets before the forward slash. Those two alphabets will tell you which country the iPhone is manufactured in. Whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, all can be used for calling and messaging. That's all for this video. Hope you all like this video. Like, share and subscribe to this video.